back up, support. The rest of the stuff backed her up when she complained about working conditions. Be after. Try to find or get. The police are after him because of the thief. Be along. Arrive. The next bus should be along in the next quarter of an hour or so. Belong to. Be a member. He belongs to a soccer club. Bleed out. To die from loss of blood. I almost bled out before I got to the hospital. Blew off. Expel gas from the anus. He blew off in front of everybody. Book in. Check in at a hotel. We took a taxi from the airport to the hotel and booked in. Break in. Go into a building to steal something. The burglars broke in and stole the TV and video. Bring in. Earn. The job brings in $2,000 a month. Carry on. Continue. Carry on quietly with your work until the substitute teacher arrives. Catch up. Reach someone who was ahead of you. He started well, but I caught him up on the third lap. Charge with. Accuse somebody of a crime. She was arrested in customs last night and has been charged with smuggling. Clean up. Tidy and clean. Clean this bathroom up. It's a disgrace. Come by. Visit. I'll come by after work and see if you need any help. Die for. Want something a lot. I am dying for the weekend. This week's been so hard. Dress up. Dress very smartly. It's an informal party, so there is no need to dress up. Fall apart. Break into pieces. The box fell apart when I picked it up. Fill out. Complete a form. I filled out the application form and mailed it. Freak out. become very disturbed or angry. She freaked out completely when she didn't get the grades to get into university. Get back, return. The train was held up, so we didn't get back home until midnight. Give in, surrender, accept defeat. They gave in when the police surrendered the building. Give up, surrender, stop trying. I can't think of the answer. I give up. Go along with, accompany. I plan to go along with them as far as Los Angeles. Goof off, avoid or leave work. We goofed off for the afternoon to watch the match. Hang with, spend time with. He has been hanging with them for a few months. Hit on, talk to someone to try to attract them sexually. She hit on him at the party and they went back to her house. Hold on, wait. Could you hold on for a minute? She'll be free in a moment. Keep up, not let someone go to bed. My neighbors kept me up till after 4 a.m. with their loud music last night. Kick off, die. He kicked off last month when he had a massive heart attack. Lie down, rest. I'm going to lie down for a few minutes before we have to go out.